So partitioning to solve. This is one that a lot of people struggle on because it might not seem like a normal thing to do and like a normal way to go about things, but I'm going to explain it so that hopefully it makes sense. So if this was the sum that you were doing, if you didn't have a calculator or paper or whatever, the easier way to do this would be to split this number into two smaller parts to make it easier. So I hope that you can see that the easiest way to split that is into tens and ones. You could do halves, but that won't work if it's not an even number. So I'm going to split that into two bits. And I'm going to do 2 times the tens first, which is 10. Put my answer there. And then I'm going to do the 2 times the ones, which is 6. So I've split them apart, which means at the end I'm going to have to add them back together. So 2 groups of 10 is 20, and the 2 times 6 is 12. So now I need to join those back together because I've done 10 and 6 instead of 16 all at once. So now I need to add 20 and 12 together. I'm going to add the 10s first because they're easy. 20 and 10, which gives me 30. And the 2 from here. Nothing plus 2 equals 2, 32. Now you could do that on a calculator to double check if you wanted. I might just do one more. Hopefully I don't draw on my mum's new bed linen. This is her spare room. Alright, let's do a 3 times 24. Alright, let's split that into tens and ones again. So now I'm going to do 3 times 20 and 3 times 4. So for this one, I'm just going to imagine that there's no 0 on the end first. I know that 3 times 2 is 6, so I know that 3 times 20 is going to be 60. Now here I've got 3 times 4. I could count by 3s or I could count by 4s. I could maybe do an array over here if I needed to. And know that 3 groups of 4 equals 12. Alright, so now I've done the 20, I've done the 4. I need to join them back together to get my answer. So let's have a look at the ones first this time. That might be the way you choose to do it. 2 plus 0 is 2. And now I've got 10 and 60 equals 7. 72. All right, I hope that helps you guys with today's work. Shoot me a message if you need a hand.